Greetings, dear viewer. Peace be upon you. This is your Kaboyet, your host in this Kaboyet Construction Industry Forum on my YouTube channel, Kapihan kay Kaboyet. Today I welcome you to episode 2 video of General Building Construction Project Inspectorate Orientation entitled The Basic Inspectorate References. The objective of this episode is just to give you the basic reference documents in General Building Construction Project Inspectorate. Disclaimer. Since this is my initial attempt to create and publish such a video on basic General Building Project Inspectorate orientation, I therefore want to make clear that I do not claim that this video on basic General Building Project Inspectorate orientation in itself is perfect. In fact, I would deeply appreciate suggestions from those who are better knowledgeable in the field of General Building Project Inspectorate that could further enrich the contents of this video and could indeed help a lot our promising young professional engineers in their successful journey in the construction industry. Having said that, let's proceed. In order to be an effective, productive, and efficient inspectorate architect or engineer in general building construction and or installation project, one must read and understand fully the project documents which shall be her primary reference in performing her inspectorate function. Here are the primary project documents references when performing inspectorate function in a construction and or installation project. Number one, the construction contract agreement. A construction contract agreement is a document executed between the owner of the project and the contractor or supplier to provide a specific services required by the project owner to be completed on an agreed date and or duration. Furthermore, contract agreement document contain and define the following: project descriptions, contractor's scope of work, contract price, payment basis, work program, contract document list, construction conditions and responsibilities, contract clause, etc. Number two, the project technical specification. The project technical specification are the details for the work that needs to be completed in a construction project. These details includes information such as materials, the scope of work, installation process, and quality of work. All works in the construction project are categorized by division in the project technical specification, and each work division are breakdown by sections. The division section contains the following parts: the general information part, the product information part, and the execution part. The general information part defines what are the items included in the section. Related sections, section references, required submittals, quality assurance requirements, required warranty, etc. The product information gives the required specifications of materials, equipments, components, and accessories needed to do the work as per relevant design drawing plans and in compliance with the contract. And the last is the execution part. This defines the requirements for inspection, installation, termination, field quality control, etc. In some project technical specification, the quality control sometimes is an independent part of that technical specification division. Number three, the approved contractor's construction and or installation method statement. A method statement is a description of how the work will be carried out safely. Method statements are also known as Safe System of Work, Safe Work Method Statements, or SWMS for short. It describes in a logical sequence exactly how a job is to be carried out in a safe manner and without risk to health environment. Number four, the contractor approved material and or equipment submittals. This consists of information provided by the contractor to the design consultant for approval of equipment, materials, etc. before they are fabricated and delivered to the project. And number five, approved contractor shop and or fabrication drawing plans. A shop drawing is a drawing or sets of drawings produced by the contractor, supplier, manufacturer, subcontractor, or fabricator. Shop drawings are typically required for prefabricated components. The shop drawing normally shows more details than for construction design drawing plan documents issued for construction. As a standard practice in construction and as required by the construction contract agreement, contractors are required to prepare and submit shop and or fabrication drawing plans for review and approval by the project architect, engineer, and or the consultants prior to commencing any relevant work activities in the project. Shop drawing publications, draw, drawing plans approved by the project architect, engineer, and or consultant shall be the reference drawing in relevant work activities execution by the contractor and in the inspection, monitoring, and performance and progress evaluation of the respective inspection engineer. I'll repeat that. Shop drawing and or publication drawings approved by the project architect, engineer, and or consultant shall be the reference drawing in relevant work activities executed by the contractor in the inspection, monitoring, and performance and progress evaluation of the respective inspection engineer. Now, in the event of any inconsistency and or conflict between the provisions of any of these documents, inspect these inspectorate reference documents, the inconsistency is normally resolved by the project architect engineer and or giving preference to all related documents in the following order. 1. Contractor's contract agreement. 2. Project technical specifications. 3. Approved contractor installation method statement. 4. approve contractor material and or equipment submittals, and 5. Approve contractor shop fabrication drawing plans. Remember that these are not just the project contract documents. There are, but for the purpose of this orientation on the reference documents that I had presented to you, this would be the order of preference for those documents in case or in the event of any inconsistency and or conflict between any of these documents. Okay? Now this conclude episode 2, Basic Inspectorate References. Once again, I do not claim that my videos in itself are perfect. However, I would deeply appreciate any suggestions and or advices from those who have good building project understanding and experience, or from those who are more knowledgeable than I am in the field of general building inspectorate that could contribute further and to further enrich the contents of this subject. After all, the main intention of this series of videos is just to provide a basic orientation on general building project inspectorate to all new engineers who are aspiring to join the booming construction industry for the first time. And I am hoping that the contents of these videos, episode 1 to 4, if totally viewed by the subscriber, can at least contribute somehow for our new aspiring architect engineers be recruited and or employed by prospective prestigious contracting and or consulting firms here and abroad. But before I sign off, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I will appreciate it very much if you could click that red subscription button as well as the notification bell so you can be notified of my next and succeeding videos. And if you like me to go on with the inspection or the inspectorate orientation, please click the like button. Then share this video to other new engineers, especially your friends, so they too can possibly benefit from this orientation video. Thank you and God bless you. Oops, I almost forgot. If you have any comments and or suggestions or questions, feel free to write them on the comment section below so I can read them and I promise to respond to you on my next video. I do hope that this basic general building construction project inspectorate orientation gain your interest and following. Until then, this is your host, Kaboyet, on Kaboyet Construction Industry Forum of Kapehan kay Kaboyet YouTube channel saying, God bless you and God bless us all and may God protect us all always. This is your Kaboyet now signing off.